In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect apps in Asana, and it's easier than you might think. If you're finding that some third-party apps you've connected are no longer needed or are causing distractions, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove them and streamline your Asana experience. Let's start by focusing on accessing your Asana profile. First, open Asana and direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This is your gateway to managing your account settings, including the connected apps. Go ahead and give it a click. Doing this will bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to your profile. Next, from this drop-down menu, you want to select the Settings option. Clicking here will lead you to the Settings page, where you can control various aspects of your Asana environment, providing a level of customization to fit your workflow preferences. Once you're on the Settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Among these, you'll find the Apps tab, which is your destination for today. So, go ahead and click on that. This section is where you can view and manage all third-party applications that have been connected to your Asana account. It's a useful feature, especially if you're integrating Asana with other tools to enhance productivity. However, over time, you might find there are some apps that you no longer use or need. In the Apps tab, you'll see a list of all the third-party apps currently connected to your Asana. Take a moment to review this list. It's helpful to be aware of what's connected, not only for managing productivity, but also for maintaining privacy and security. You might be surprised to find some apps you connected a while back and forgot about as your workflow evolved. For any app that you wish to disconnect, simply locate it on the list. Next to each app, there's a Deauthorize button. Clicking on this button will effectively disconnect the app from your Asana account. This action removes any linkage between Asana and that particular app, ensuring it no longer has access to your data or projects within Asana. And there you go. That's all it takes to disconnect apps in Asana. It's a straightforward process that can greatly help in reducing unnecessary clutter from your view and prevent any unauthorized data exchanges you might not be aware of. Regularly checking and managing your app connections is a good habit to maintain, keeping your workflow efficient and your data secure. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this, guiding you through various productivity tools and tips.